Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize these characters, namely how to change the color, change accessories, how to add your own texture and how to transfer it to another scene in order to add it to the game box. In this scene we have 10 characters. Each is numbered from 1 to 10. The textures are also numbered. If you see shirt 1 in the list, it means that the color will change only on character 1. Before starting changes, I always recommend making a duplicate of the character. Select the character you want, right-click and select Duplicate Collection. To select all objects in the collection, right-click and select Select Objects. Each character has a base mesh and a set of accessories. The base mesh has several materials at the same time. To measure the color of the shoes, select the shoe material from the list and change the color. You can also add your own texture. Select the element you need. For example, it will be a shirt. Go to the shader editor section and drag your texture here. Now connect it to the base color node. Be sure to check out my tutorial on how to change the position of any texture. The link will be in the description. You can move, tilt and enlarge any of the accessories. To render a character, place it in front of the camera and click Render, Render Image. Don't forget to save the finished image. To copy an object, select the object and press Shift+D. To transfer a character to another scene, make sure it is saved to the same collection. To create a new collection, select the items you need and press M. Write a name. Now open the scene with the game box. Click File, then Append. We are looking for a scene with characters. Next, look for the collection folder. We choose our character. To attach it to animation, see a similar tutorial at the link in the description. You can download the blend file from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.